In this video I'm going to show you how to add Instagram link to your TikTok profile. So what you want to do is you want to go first to Instagram, go to your profile and click on share profile and then copy this link. Then what you want to do is you want to go to TikTok. Once TikTok opens up, go to profile, click on edit profile and from there scroll down until you see Instagram, which you can unlink and then edit again. And basically now you log in with Instagram and then they will be connected. So you don't even have to copy this link. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. And also if this video didn't help you out, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you. Thank you for watching this video.